Hi, I'm back, 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 I'm back. Listen, listen, don't go anywhere, huh? Don't go anywhere, huh? Don't go anywhere, huh? Don't go anywhere. Listen, listen, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. Listen, baby, baby, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. And guess what? I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
Everywhere I go, they call me Cash Madam. Say me fresh and clean, call me Cash Madam. Anything you know I got it. Cash Madam, baby, Cash Madam, Cash Madam. V-Money.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back again with the wigs. Okay, so there's one particular person or two that say that they want my braided wigs back, and obviously my braided wigs are getting more views than any other kind of videos in my channel. I don't know why, because this takes time. But anyways, this was very easy. It took me only 6 hours total, like total, to do all this. Okay, 6 hours. I don't know, maybe because the length is not that long, but yeah, it took me 6 hours to do the entire wig. Okay, so we are back again. We are back again with the no closure, no frontal, no problem. Okay, so we are back with the wigs again, and I have more things coming for you guys. You can see these are the jungle braids. Okay, they're not the regular braids, they are the jungle braids. Okay, do you guys like my makeup? I don't know, I doubt a little bit with the lipstick, you know. I'm not wearing lipstick like before again. I see it too red for my liking, but anyways, I mean, once in a while it doesn't hurt nobody. So as I was saying, this video is very detailed for you guys. Okay, so if you want to learn how I did this wig, you guys need to watch the entire video. Okay, I know it might be a little bit long, but I mean, it took me 6 hours, and I'm trying to put it as short as possible for you guys, because I showed everything in the video. When I mean everything. So yeah, cuties, that's it for today's video. So if you want to know how I did this wig over here, just keep watching.
Que se podría hacer amor por telepatía. La luna se llena, mi cama vacía, lo que yo te haría. Si te tuviera de frente, la mente te la volaría. De noche de día, de noche de día. You know I'm just a flight away. If you want it, you can take a private plane. A kilómetros estamos conectando, y me prendes aunque no me estés tocando. You know I got a lot to say. All these voices in the background of my brain, y me dicen todo lo que estás pensando. Me imagino lo que estás maquinando. ¿Quién no diría que se podría hacer amor por telepatía? La luna se llena, mi cama vacía, lo que yo te haría. Si te tuviera de frente, la mente te la volaría. De noche de día, de noche de día. You know that I can see right through you. I can read your mind, I can read your mind, what you wanna do. It's written all over your face, times 2. 'Cause I can read your mind, I can read your mind. I can hear your thoughts like a melody. Listen on the phone while you're fast asleep. You stay on the phone just to hear me breathe. On repeat. ¿Quién no diría que se podría hacer amor por telepatía? just a flight away. If you want it, you can take a private plane. You know I got a lot to say. All these voices in the background of my brain. ¿Quién no diría que se podría hacer amor por telepatía? La luna se llena, mi cama vacía, lo que yo te haría. Si te tuviera de frente, la mente te la volaría. De noche de día, de noche de día. You know I'm just a flight away. If you want it, you can take a private plane. A kilómetros estamos conectando y me prendes aunque no me estés tocando. You know I got a lot to say. All these voices in the background of my brain. Y me dicen todo lo que estás pensando. Me imagino lo que estás maquinando. ¿Quién no diría que se podría hacer amor por telepatía? La luna se llena, mi cama vacía, lo que yo te haría. Si te tuviera de frente, la mente te la volaría. De noche de día, de noche de día. You know that I can see right through you. I can read your mind, I can read your mind, what you wanna do. It's written all over your face, times 2. 'Cause I can read your mind, I can read your mind. I can hear your thoughts like a melody. Listen on the phone while you're fast asleep. You stay on the phone just to hear me breathe. On repeat. ¿Quién no diría que se podría hacer amor por telepatía? La luna se llena, mi cama vacía, lo que yo te haría. Si te tuviera de frente, la mente te la volaría. De noche de día, de noche de día. You know I'm just a flight away. If you want it, you can take a private plane. You know I got a lot to say. All these voices in the background of my brain. ¿Quién no diría que se podría hacer amor por telepatía? La luna se llena, mi cama vacía, lo que yo te haría. Si te tuviera de frente, la mente te la volaría. De noche de día, de noche de día. You know I'm just a flight away. If you want it, you can take a private plane. A kilómetros estamos conectando y me prendes aunque no me estés tocando. You know I got a lot to say. All these voices in the background of my brain. Y me dicen todo lo que estás pensando. Me imagino lo que estás maquinando. ¿Quién no diría que se podría hacer amor por telepatía? La luna se llena, mi cama vacía, lo que yo te haría. Si te tuviera de frente, la mente te la volaría. De noche de día, de noche de día. You know that I can see right through you. I can read can read your mind, what you wanna do. It's written all over your face, times 2. 'Cause I can read your mind, I can read your mind. I can hear your thoughts like a melody. Listen on the phone while you're fast asleep. You stay on the phone just to hear me breathe. On repeat. ¿Quién no diría que se podría hacer amor por telepatía? La luna se llena, mi cama vacía, lo que yo te diría. Si te tuviera de frente, la mente te la volaría. De noche de día, de noche de día. You know I'm just a flight away. If you want it, you can take a private plane. You know I got a lot to say. All these voices in the background of my brain. ¿Quién no diría que se podría hacer amor por telepatía? La luna se llena, mi cama vacía, lo que yo te haría. Si te tuviera de frente, la mente te la volaría. De noche de día, de noche de día. You know I'm just a flight away. If you want it, you can take a private plane. A kilómetros estamos conectando y me prendes aunque no me estés tocando. You know I got a lot to say. All these voices in the background of my brain. Y me dicen todo lo que estás pensando. Me imagino lo que estás maquinando. ¿Quién no diría que se podría hacer amor por telepatía? La luna se llena, mi cama vacía, lo que yo te haría. Si te tuviera de frente, la mente te la volaría. De noche de día, de noche de día.
If you like this video and this video was supple for you, which I know it did, I know, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button over there, and share. I'll see you in my next video. I'm coming again. As I promise you guys, a lot of videos are coming. Okay, I promise more videos. So subscribe and share to your friends and family. Thank you guys. So we see in my next video. Okay, I'll soon be back though. As you just close your eyes and open, I'm back. You get. Bye guys. Peace. Love you. I'm back. Okay, I am back. You wish I'm gone, but I'm back. Oh my god. Come on, glowy Geeglow. Come on, glowy Geeglow. Come on, glow with Geeglow, honey. You blinks, guys, you blinks. You blinks. Discount code Geeglow40 for 40% off, okay? You have it right now in Ublinks website, ublinks.com. Discount code Geeglow40 to get 40% off. Love you guys. So I'm back with the wigs. I'm back with the wigs. Oh my god, I've been waiting to be coming back with my wigs, but like, I mean, it takes time, dedication and all that stuff, you know. And bring some out for it to look more natural if you want. I mean, name it. Oh, the color of this changed because I put it in hot water. Yeah. So
You can take a private plane. A kilómetros estamos conectando y me prendes aunque no me estés tocando. You know I got a lot to say. All these voices in the